Welcome to part 21 of our van build series, and today we're painting the walls. The first thing that we had to do was to sand all of the wood down. The tongue and groove that we got was already treated, so we needed to sand this to make sure that the primer would stick to it properly. We then went in and did a coat of the primer on top of all of the wood in the van. Once this is completely dried, we went in and did another coat, and we did 2 coats of this total. At this point we were a little bit worried about the final colour of the van, considering the colour of paint we chose was an off-white and the white at this stage looked very stark. We went ahead anyway and put on the first coat of the actual paint colour that we'd chosen. Started off with just using a brush to paint, but we realised that if we used the brush to go in all of the grooves and the edges and then rolled over the rest, it made the process a lot quicker. 2 coats of the paint, and then we realised that the pinholes that we used to secure the cladding onto the wooden frame underneath never got filled in with the paint, so we went over with a filler and filled all of these in. And then after this we sanded the filler down and did a final coat of the paint. And after that coat all of the painting was done, and we're actually really happy with how the colour turned out, and we think it brightens up the van so much. Thanks for watching, follow to see more of our videos.